Hello student, this is a further topic of chapter number 3, structure of sperm or spermatozoa. So here is a diagram of a sperm. We can see the four part of the sperm. First is head, that is the head part. That is neck part of the sperm. This is middle part of the sperm, and this long tube like structure that is known as tail. So we can say that the sperm is divided into four part: head, neck, middle part and the tail. So the first point is head. The explanation form of head is like it is flat and oval in human sperm. जो ह्यूमन स्पर्म जो होता है वो फ्लेटेड होता है हेड एंड ओवल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इट हैव it composed of a large nucleus and small acrosome. There is the large nucleus, it is the large nucleus, this is the large nucleus of the sperm, and this structure is acrosome. This is the acrosome, and above the acrosome there is a layer that is known as the plasma membrane. As we know that sperm is a cell, so here is plasma membrane is present. Nucleus consists only condensed DNA and protein. It means nucleus does not have any type of chromatin thread or nucleolus, nucleoplasm. It only have DNA and its own protein. Acrosome is formed from Golgi body. This is the main point of the acrosome, that it formed from the Golgi apparatus or Golgi body. It means in the normal cell there is Golgi body or Golgi apparatus which help to make acrosome. It help to penetrate the egg in fertilization. It means at the time of fertilization, because of acrosome, sperm can penetrate the egg or female gamete. Next one is neck, which contains centriole. There is two centriole in the neck, and these centriole help to form cleavage of a zygote. It means after fertilization a zygote is formed, so the cleavage of the zygote formed by these centrioles. Next one is middle piece. We can see that there is this is a middle piece, and mitochondria, there is number of mitochondria are present in the middle piece. So we can say that because of mitochondria, middle piece gain energy, just because mitochondria known as the powerhouse of the cell. So this middle piece known as the powerhouse of spermatozoa or sperm. This is mitochondria are tightly coiled round axial format. Axial format में tightly coiled रहते हैं. Mitochondria provide energy for the movement of the sperm in the female genital tract, because female genital tract में ingest होने के लिए जो mitochondria होते हैं वो sperm को energy provide करने का काम करते हैं. Also known as the powerhouse of the spermatozoa. I already told you that. There is one more point, that if the sperm fail to contact an ovum within a specific time, it lose its energy and dies. It means अगर जो स्पर्म है वो पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर ओव्यूल के साथ में पेनिट्रेट नहीं होता, इट मीन्स फर्टिलाइजेशन डज नॉट अकर ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम, देन इट कैन लूज इट्स एनर्जी एंड इट कैन डाई. Last part is the tail. Here is a long tail. It is cylindrical like a structure which formed by the cytoplasma. In the cell there is a fluid which present cytoplasma, and cytoplasma formed a tail like structure of the sperm. It have fine thread. We can see that there is a fine thread which arise from the posterior centriole, जो कि बाद वाले centriole से स्टार्ट होता है, एंड ट्रांसफर टू द मिडिल पार्ट में होता हुआ इट गोज इनटू द टेल. इट मे प्रोजेक्ट फ्रीली बिहाइंड द टेल एज एन एंड ऑफ पीस. A mammalian sperm has an additional outer ring of the 9 course accessory fiber. It means जो mammalian sperm होता है उसके अंदर जो रिंग होता है, आउटर रिंग, इट कोज 9 कोर्स यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट होते हैं.